metre2 BIM Explorer. It's a free download of an application for investigating the content of IFC files, finding the IFC types and presenting them in an alphabetical tree of information. To begin with, run the application, go to the file menu and load the IFC file that you have to investigate. How long that takes to open can be a few seconds, can be a couple of minutes, depending on the size and complexity of the file that we're looking to open. What we'll see here is that all of the recognized IFC types have been displayed alphabetically in individual nodes, and we can expand those nodes to see what information is available. metre2 BIM Explorer is an expanding product, so we will be releasing future versions. You'll get them automatically because of the way the software is designed to check for the latest version, and you will see these groups of IFC types potentially expand should they be in the file that you're using. So product is currently 1.22. It will advance periodically as time progresses. If we look at each node, we can see the nodes are expanding, we can see the information within them, and at the lowest level we can see different attributes about the node. Attributes don't have to keep the same information, so we can see there's, well, I don't know, 8 there and there's 6 there, so there's different pieces of information. We can see dimensions there, we can see dimensions there, so we can see areas of glazing. So we're looking at what information has been assigned to each IFC type. If we look at our coverings, we can see that coverings mean ceilings in this case, and we've got 3 instances of ceiling, each of which has a distinct area associated to it. So we're beginning to understand and explore some of the information from the file. If we use the search function, by right mouse search, we can search the current node, which in our case is covering, or the entire file with search all. So we'll search the current node, and here we can select up to 5 individual search terms. These are all the search terms available in the coverings properties. Only the coverings properties, because that's what we've asked for. We're interested in area, so we'll add the search term area and we'll run the search. So as we expected, 3 instances of area with their appropriate area attribute. So we know that we have 3 sets of information there. Using our grid, we can highlight that, Control-C, Control-V into an Excel spreadsheet, or we could use the built-in export to Excel function and create an Excel spreadsheet just containing this information. So now we have our information in a spreadsheet, and we can use all the existing Excel functionality that we would expect to operate this spreadsheet. So we could do areas, totals, sums, however we want to get to our information to use that spreadsheet. What we can also do is we can get rid of the search panel here, and under the file menu we have an opportunity to save a metre2 desktop file. Serves 2 purposes. If you save the file, it's a bit thinner because we ignore some of the information that we don't use, so it'll be quicker to load at subsequent times. Also, this metre2 file is something that we can use as a template inside the metre2 desktop application. So we can extract information from the file straight into the metre2 estimating applications. By all means, send us some feedback. Let us know what you think about the product. Email support@metre2.co.uk. And if you've got this far, thank you very much for listening.